Audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how are you all? Hello. How are you all? Fine? Not fine? Feeling like imprisoned in home? You want to come out of the house? Huh? Don't move out of the house unnecessarily still, okay? Even if things are improving a little. So, whose lecture was there earlier? किसका लेक्चर था इससे पहले? किस सब्जेक्ट का लेक्चर था?
FC.
एफसी का लेक्चर था. कौन टीचर ले रहा था?
लोगो सर.
हाँ,
लोगो सर.
अच्छा लोबो सर ले रहे थे. ओके. तो किसी स्टूडेंट ने लिखा कि मुझे होस्ट ने रिमूव कर दिया ग्रुप में. कौन स्टूडेंट था वो? ऐसे ही पूछ रही हूँ. ओके. So what topic we were doing last time? Listening, correct?
Yes.
Any one of you want to tell me something? Means whatever I taught you earlier regarding listening, have you understood? Do you want me to do something? Repeat, I mean, or have you understood everything whatever I've taught you? Hello, am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking you all. Don't be silent. So silent you people are. क्या हुआ, आज मूड में नहीं हो? हेलो. चर्पिंग स्टूडेंट्स कहाँ गए आज मेरे FY बीकॉम के? "32 students are there only." So, okay, what is listening? What is listening?
Gift of God.
Huh? Gift of God. Okay, what else? Listening is hearing plus understanding. Correct? Hearing is God's gift to you. Correct now? आप लोगों का वीकली टेस्ट हो रहा है?
No.
नहीं हो रहा है?
No, ma'am.
अच्छा. Listening means hearing plus understanding. तो मंडे को you don't have any lecture or lectures are there? Monday is your weekly off?
Yes.
Okay. So listening is hearing plus understanding. How much time we spent in listening every day? 40%, 45%. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is spent in listening, है ना? Correct? 30% in speaking. Correct? 16% in reading and 9% in writing. Is it clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So listening is whatever you hear, okay, whatever sounds comes to you, okay. Listening Hearing is an automatic process, while listening is an attempt to understand, correct? An attempt, reactive process. So when you hear something, whenever sounds come to you, correct? Hearing, whenever you hear some sounds, okay, after that what happens? Hearing leads to decoding, okay. You hear some sounds, you decode those sounds, you receive, okay, message, you understand it, okay. You understand it, you listen it, okay. Listening, then remembering, whatever you listen you don't remember each and everything, correct? And evaluating. Is it clear? So whatever you hear, where you decode, you receive message, you understand, it is listening. But whatever you listen, you don't remember each and everything, you can't evaluate each and everything. Now in 50 minutes lecture, whatever you listen, you can't remember each and everything throughout the year, correct? And that's why you note down the things, correct? Now so that you can refer to it again and again. Is it clear? Understood? You can't remember each and everything whatever is taught to you in 50 minutes lecture throughout the year, okay, in one subject, and that's why you make notes. You take down notes and then you refer to it, you remember, you evaluate. Okay, so listening is not an automatic process, it is an attempt, it is a reactive process. You make attempt to understand whatever you hear, okay. So listening doesn't happen automatically, while hearing happens automatically, okay. So hearing and listening are different. Is it clear to you? Now when I am teaching you, some sounds come to you automatically, you are hearing the sounds, whether you are understanding it or not is a different matter. When you understand it, it means you are listening it. When you don't understand, you are just hearing it. Now when you are in the lecture, whether you are hearing or whether you are listening, you only know, I don't know, correct? Is it clear to you what is hearing, what is listening? Is the
Yes.
difference clear to every one of you? Have you noted down this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Life without listening is impossible. You can't live your life, okay. Life is impossible. Is it clear? Without listening, life is impossible. So this is of what I taught you last week, correct? Is it clear? So life is impossible without listening. Understood or not?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I erase it? Everybody has noted down it. Those who haven't attended the earlier lecture, suppose it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody of you want to say anything? I am erasing it now. Okay. Okay. Now I just want to make you listen to. I'm reading something in front of you. Okay. I hope you will listen to it and you will understand it even. Okay. And then you give me your reactions. Which thing you like the most. Okay. All of you are commerce students. Okay. Do you have any interest in poetry? Anybody is interested in poetry in any language? Hello. No interest. Okay. Let me read something for you then. Something else. Okay. Hmm, what is that? P C C C C C C C Higher Education Institute. Okay. Debate. Okay. What was it? Okay. I have read one book long back and I have written a review of that book and I participated in book review competition. I'm just sharing with you. Okay, no intention to appreciate myself. Okay, and I got first prize in that book review competition. So I'm reading that book review in front of you. The title of the book is Thirsty Planet Strategies for Sustainable Water Management. You know, saving water is very, very important nowadays. Correct? No? So the title of my book, which I reviewed, I haven't written, I have reviewed it. Thirsty Planet Strategies for Sustainable Water Management. This book was written by Constance Elizabeth Hunt in 2004. Okay, foreign edition. In Indian edition is 2007. The book contains an analytical study of one of the emerging concerns of the 21st century, water crisis on the globe from various angles, giving us insights into the root cause of the problem, our expensive usage of water and damage to Earth's ecosystem due to our current approaches in the food production, water supply, sanitation, navigation, and flood damage reduction. Besides, global warming has also adversely affected aquatic ecosystem, that is quality, quantity and timing of water availability on the planet. Additionally, current policies for water management have been studied with their pluses and minuses to highlight the fact that the causes of this serious problem are region specific. So one strategy can't be applied at international level. Somehow, individuals and institutions will have to come forward and make efforts at various levels to compel the government to collectively adopt the sustainable water management strategies, keeping aside the varied vested interest for the promotion of economic activity is also suggested. Hunt has dealt with this complex problem as being a biologist and environmentalist. She has considerable experience due to her association with various international institutes for water management and conservation. The book purports to expose the selfish attitudes of powerful forces who, for private profit, think about short term success without reflecting over the long term disadvantages. Besides, to make us realize that the solution lies in our hands, as nature is the source of water, not a competitor for water. So, to avoid experiencing absolute water scarcity by 2025, we as individuals and society need to change our approach in conservation of water. Otherwise, we will have to face the fury of nature. The author is absolutely right in assigning this responsibility, as our desire for comfortable living has resulted in this grave crisis. The extreme imbalance caused by us to the Earth's ecosystem will break the water cycle down. Everyone should try one's best to preserve water. Even turning salty water and wastewater into drinking and usable water can't be a long term remedy. So, having a long term vision to resolve the problem is the need of the hour. We have all the tools available to meet this challenge. We need to learn from our past mistakes and not to repeat. We have to use our knowledge, technology, communication, and network potentials not to destroy the freshwater ecosystem but to conserve and manage the water. Human rights and environmental protection, balance between governance and decentralization of power, proper coordination among policymakers in various aspects of life, adequate participation and representation by local people in water management decision making process is essential as suggested by the author. The title Thirsty Planet Strategies for Sustainable Water Management is apt because the author tells us that our current approach towards Earth's ecosystem will lead to scarcity of water and people will die of thirst. It is a good book for students, research scholars, policymakers, and intellectuals with an interest in environmental protection, including global water crisis. So, you listen to what I said. Hello, hello. I am
Yes,
asking.
ma'am.
You understood something, whatever I have read in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood something? Okay, now I am reading something else in front of you. Okay, and then you have to tell me the difference. What I read in front of you, and it's exercise related to listening, and that's why I'm making you listen. Okay, now see, I read something in front of you. This is a poem written by me, okay, which I will be reading in front of you. Hello, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the title of my poem is Technology, Art, and Love. Okay, love is life in the age of technology, love is life in the age and page of art, love is life in the mind of lovers, whichever age they belong to. Love is ageless, timeless, and spaceless. It flourishes in the imagination of lovers with the help of technology and art. With the whichever age they belong to. Love knows no barriers of caste, class, creed, religion, and nation. It knows only one language, that is of humanism, whichever age they belong to. Technology has made love easier and simpler. Lovers can connect to each other hassle free, anytime from anywhere. Art too plays a prominent role, as pure love is always artistic, simplistic, and non abusive. No technology, no art is misused, whichever age they belong to. Only feelings are used to express feelings of love through technology and art, and love is made for love's sake. No selfish motives are ingrained. They live love lovely feelings because they love each other, whichever age they belong to. They don't dupe each other before or after union. They don't meet each other for lust and hunger. They don't ditch each other for materialistic gains, whichever age they belong to. They don't splash acid on each other to force love on each other. They don't try to test love by making illogical demands which make the other permanently handicapped, whichever age they belong to. True love gives the other equal space. It doesn't expect the other to be a slave. It treats the other as a human being full of emotions, not a commodity to consume, whichever age they belong to. True love doesn't suspect the other. It is not a relation for convenience and compromise. It is a bond of understanding, whichever age they belong to. Love is blind, half blind, true, false, or pure, impure. A temporary contract or a permanent relation is not defined by social or cultural norms but by the intentions of the lovers, whichever age they belong to. Love doesn't tweet love. Love doesn't post WhatsApp chats. Love doesn't get viral on social networking sites. Love doesn't share photographs on Facebook. It just realizes itself in the inner room of the two sides. Listen to what I read for you. Hello,
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
something? कुछ समझ आया क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
आया समझ? अच्छा, अभी मैं एक और पोयम पढ़ती हूँ. Then you tell me which you like the most. Huh? This is regarding pandemic COVID-19. ठीक है? The title of the poem is COVID-19 only. Okay? COVID-19 has gone to an extreme. There is no medicine, no vaccine. It behaves like a riddle. Doctor, nurse, patient, scientists find it difficult to get rid of it. Human being is in the cage as the virus is in rage. It seems earth, nature and God are furious. Human beings are curious. Why is COVID-19 dangerous? Why is the country locked down? Why the human being helpless? Why the most intelligent creature crying when COVID-19 is just playing and other creatures are enjoying? COVID-19 is deadening. It is infectious, contagious. Normal life is no more harmonious. Domestic violence, frustration, depression, abuse, suicide, lynching, attack on doctors, nurse, patients, yoga, meditation, discipline are also increasing. COVID-19 is frightening. No handshaking, no kissing, no embracing. Follow physical distancing, masking face, hand washing. COVID-19 is preaching and teaching. Home is the best place recently to stay safely, to live life with family happily if you got an infection. You would have to live in isolation, taught us many lessons, community service and self-reliance. COVID-19 resulted in lockdown, curfews, loss of job, business, unemployment. People are dying of hunger. There is so much fear, but if no place for precaution, even after so much preparation, citizens are full of frustration, students are in depression, patients are in panic due to COVID-19 pandemic. Everyone is caged in home. There is no place to roam. Shrines, parks, cinema, swimming pool, gym, parlors could not go for last rites of their dear ones. Cried alone. Some distributed foods, water, milk. Performed last rites for strangers. Laborers walked on foot, tired, hungry, ran over by trains, buses, trucks. Government made arrangements, hospitals, camps, and ambulances. Doctors, nurses, police, essential providers fought bravely the COVID-19. Some lost life, some quarantined, came back to life. Okay, so which one you like better? The first one, technology, art and love, or this one, COVID-19? कौन सा ज्यादा अच्छा लगा तुम्हें? हेलो,
COVID-19.
COVID-19 ज्यादा अच्छा लगा? Students, you can give your views. I'm asking you all. Both are beautiful poems, ma'am. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। ओके, लास्ट वाला, कोविड-19 ज्यादा अच्छी लगी तुम लोगों को? बोथ आर बेस्ट। अरे बोथ कांट बी बेस्ट, चूज वन। लास्ट वाला सुपर्ब लगा। ओके, so I mean you understood now what I want to say. Listening, now if you are interested in what topic you are interested also counts, whether you listen carefully or not. Okay. I have written in Hindi as well. Okay, हिंदी का पोएम सुनाऊं? सुनना है?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सी पोएम सुननी है? किस टॉपिक पे सुननी है हिंदी में पोएम? मैंने बहुत डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पे लिखी है, तुम्हारे ही टॉपिक पे सुनाती हूँ। एक नव युवाओं के ऊपर भी लिखी है, उस पे ही सुनाती हूँ। चलो, यंगस्टर्स के ऊपर लिखी है ना, वो सुनाती हूँ तुम्हें, क्योंकि तुमको वो अच्छी लगेगी शायद ज्यादा। नहीं भी लगे, मालूम नहीं। आई डोंट नो, बट चलो सुनाती हूँ। शायद अच्छी भी लग सकती है, नहीं भी लग सकती है। देखते हैं तुम्हें अच्छी लगती है या नहीं। हाँ, ये सुनाती हूँ। ओ नव युवाओं, ठीक है? मैंने ये बहुत पहले लिखी थी, 25 years पहले, व्हेन आई वाज स्टूडेंट। ओ नव युवाओं, अरे कहाँ गई? तुम्हें दिखेगी नहीं ना ये, कहाँ गई? हिंदी इंग्लिश पोयम, लेट मी सी। हिंदी पोएट्री ना दिख रही है, हिंदी पोएट्री नहीं दिख रही है। एक मिनट। हाँ, हिंदी पोएट्री अब दिखती है, ठीक है। हाँ, लेट अस सी। ओ नवयुवाओं, हिम्मत दिखाओ, आत्महत्या कर जिंदगी तुम न गवाओ। दुखों से न यूं घबराओ, मरना तो बहुत आसान है, जीने में ही कुछ शान है। जिंदा रहने का तरीका भी कुछ ऐसा अपनाओ कि मर कर भी जीवित तुम रह पाओ, न कि जीते हुए भी तुम मर जाओ। जिंदगी एक ऐसा सफर है, जहाँ कभी दुख तो कभी सुख हम सफर है। साथी का हमेशा तुम साथ निभाओ, संघर्ष करो दुख दूर भगाओ। हिम्मत करो और आगे आओ, जिंदगी को तुम यूं न गवाओ। हिम्मत हारना और डरना इंसान का काम नहीं, जीवन युद्ध में जूझते हुए वीर गति पाना ही इंसान के लिए इनाम है सही। देश के कर्णधार हो, कुछ जिम्मेदारियां संभालो। भावी नेता उन्नति में देश की योगदान देकर अपने जीवन को कामयाब बना लो। बुजुर्गों का सहारा बनो, बच्चों से न किनारा करो। हम उम्र से दोस्ती करो, जिंदगी को कुछ यूं जियो कि मरने पर भी तुम याद आओ। जीते हुए न खुद को भुलाओ, ओ नवयुवाओं हिम्मत दिखाओ। जिंदगी को यूं न गवाओ, ओ नवयुवाओं हिम्मत दिखाओ। ठीक है। अभी मैं तुमको इसलिए पूछ रही थी, मुझे एक कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना था, तो उसमें थीम दिया है वेरियस शेड्स ऑफ लव और पेंडेमिक। किसी एक टॉपिक पर भेजना है, इसलिए मैं पूछ रही थी कि मैं कौन सी भेजूं, तुमसे सलाह ले रही थी मैं। तो तुम जो बोलोगे मैं वही भेजती हूँ। तुम्हें टेक्नोलॉजी आर्ट एंड लव अच्छी लगी या कोविड-19 अच्छी लगी? कोविड-19, अरे कितने लोगों को कोविड-19 अच्छी लगी है? पोल करें क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
विच पोएम यू लाइक्ड द मोस्ट? ओके, चलो, लेट मी डू अ पोल। Listening of the poem. Which poem you like? Did you like the most?
हर्षित नहीं खोला, हर्षित का नाम मत, हर्षित तो कुछ करता ही नहीं है, हर्षित का नाम मत करता ही नहीं है।
Most.
हाँ भैया,
Okay.
हाँ तो बड़ा खोला नहीं था, मैं तब लिया पता है, जब भैया निकाल के तुम लोग एक बार देख के जब ले लिए ना तब प्लास्टिक में से निकाला आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन मिला।
सब अपना ओपिनियन देना है, इसमें कुछ राइट और रॉन्ग तो है नहीं, करेक्ट? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am asking you all, there is nothing right and wrong. Which poem did you like the most? अभी आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखाई देगा, दिखाई दे रहा है? All of you give me your response. हाँ?
कितने मिनट के हैं? 20,000 दोनों मोबाइल चार्ज करेगा।
What about other students?
एक बार फुल चार्ज करो, देखो कितना मिनट चार्ज।
ये कुमकुम पांडे, आवाज क्यों आ रही है तुम्हारे यहाँ से? Yes. What about other student? 32 students में से 21 स्टूडेंट्स ने दिया है। बाकी लोगों को कुछ समझ नहीं आया क्या मैंने क्या पढ़ा पोएम में? हेलो, और यू डोंट वांट टू रिस्पॉन्ड ऑन दिस इशू इवन? कुछ तो जवाब दो, कौन सी तुम्हें अच्छी लगी? हिंदी वाली अच्छी लगी? सो कोविड-19 तुम सबको इसलिए अच्छी लगी क्योंकि कोविड-19 से हम गुजर रहे हैं, या वास्तव में वो अच्छी थी? क्यों अच्छी लगी तुम्हें? उसका लैंग्वेज अच्छी थी, इजी थी, कंटेंट अच्छा था?
Easy and true.
ट्रू। टेक्नोलॉजी आर्ट एंड लव ट्रू नहीं लगी?
लगी मैम, बट वो इजी मतलब बहुत हार्ड इंग्लिश था।
हार्ड इंग्लिश? अच्छा, ओके ओके। एनीबडी एल्स वांट टू से एनीथिंग? चलो ठीक है, तो कोविड-19 तुम्हें अच्छी लगी। आई वॉज थिंकिंग व्हाट शुड आई डू, आई मीन आई वॉज नॉट श्योर व्हाट विच पोएम आई शुड सेंड, सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि मैं तुमसे ही पूछ लेती हूँ। ओके, सो शुड आई एंड द पोलिंग नाउ? नोबडी एंड वांट्स टू रिस्पॉन्ड एनी मोर? ओके, शेयर रिजल्ट। तो अभी देखते हैं कि तुम्हें रिजल्ट दिखाई दे रहा है। 20 स्टूडेंट्स को कोविड-19 पसंद आई है। चलो ठीक है, फिर मैं कोविड-19 पे ही भेज देती हूँ, तुम्हारे व्यूज का रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए, ठीक है? सो यू लाइक्ड। नाउ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से, नाउ you have listened to whatever I have recited in front of you, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So what are the good qualities? What is the quality? How you can, what is required for good listening? In your syllabus, the topic is what is required for good listening.
Proper
Okay.
attention.
Yes. What else? What else? What else is needed? Anybody else would say something else? What is needed? Proper attention. What else? First point which you need to understand for good listening, the language, the channel which you are using for communication should be proper, na? है ना? Then only you can listen well, correct or not? Hello, समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं तुम्हें मैं क्या बोल
Yes, ma'am.
See, what is importance of listening skills? First is importance of listening skills. Did I tell you something about importance of listening skill last time? How important is listening? I told you life without listening is impossible. So that is the first importance. Na? Without listening, you can't live your life. Correct? Correct. Then I told you 45% of your time is spent in listening only. Correct. So that is also importance na, of listening skill. Spent in listening. Now listening is important in every aspect of your life. Correct. Correct. Listening is important in every aspect of your life, be it your personal life. Correct. Social life and professional life. Correct. Is it clear? In your personal life, in your day-to-day life, in your family life, if you don't listen to what your youngsters are saying, what your means what your family members who are younger to you are saying, what your elders are saying, so life becomes difficult. Correct. Correct. Life becomes difficult. Okay, suppose you have aged parents in your home. They need some attention from your side. Okay, they need medicine, they need timely help, and if you don't listen, they may suffer. Correct. If you have youngsters in your family, they need your attention, you don't listen to, they may also suffer. If your children at home, they need something, you don't listen to them, they need something which is very much required at emergency situation, you don't listen to them. So life becomes difficult in your personal life, you don't listen to people who want to say something to you. In your social life also, okay, suppose you are playing radio, television, or it means something, any instrument on a loud volume, it may be disturbing to your neighbors. If you are not listening to what people wants to say, then it becomes difficult. Is it clear? So in professional life, as a senior or as a junior, if you don't listen to what others, your colleagues are saying, then life becomes difficult. Okay, you will not be able to do your duty in various roles if you don't listen to anybody properly. Is it clear to you? So overall, listening is very very important in every aspect of your life, be it personal, social, professional life. If you don't listen properly, life becomes difficult. You can give example. I have given you example last time. If you are walking on the road, if you don't listen to the sounds made by horns, okay, you may meet with an accident. If you don't follow traffic rules, road safety rules, then you may meet with an accident. Okay, if you don't listen to what traffic constable is saying, okay, traffic police is saying, if you are appearing for an exam and if you don't listen to the supervisor's instructions, okay, so you may even miss something very important, you may not attempt the question paper well, and you may even, it may result into a bad result, bad academic score. Okay, if you are attending a meeting at professional front, and if you don't listen to what your senior has said in the meeting, what the chairperson has said in the meeting, okay, so it may lead to misunderstanding, misinterpretation, miscommunication as well. So listening is very very important in life. Okay, be it your personal life, family life, be it your social life, be it your professional life. So if you don't listen well, it may cause accident, it may lead to poor performance, it may lead to underperformance, it may lead to mishappenings. Okay, it may spoil your relations. Okay, you may be even terminated from job because it may cause some accident at workplace even. Okay, so listening is very very important in life. Is it clear to you why I am emphasizing so much on listening? Because listening make, if you listen well, then only you become a good speaker. If you don't listen well, you can't become a good speaker. So listening is the first skill which you need to develop. So my point is that you listen to your teacher's lectures well. If you listen to your teacher's lectures well, all subject teachers lectures well, you come to know so many things, not only about studies but otherwise as well. Is it clear? So listening is very very important. Listening is not only important for productivity, for good performance, to avoid accident, to improve relationship, but to speak well, to learn correct pronunciation, to learn correct accent, okay, to improve your fluency in speech. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. So listening is, without listening, life is impossible. If you don't listen well, you can't speak well. I told you, if a child is brought up in jungle, okay, if a child is brought up in jungle, if a child listens to animal sounds, will produce animal sounds only. If a child is brought up in human habitat, then only the child learns to produce human sounds. Is it clear? So listening is very very important. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what is your takeaway from this lecture, last two lectures? You need to be a good listener, correct? And how can you become a good listener? You need to be attentive. You need not disturb the speaker. So when the lecture is going on, don't switch on your audio video unnecessarily if it is not required. It disturbs the lecture. You can't become a good listener. Okay, good listening is important for good speaking as well. Is it clear to you? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. To anybody who didn't understand anything regarding listening, किसको कुछ समझ नहीं आया है, कोई ऐसा स्टूडेंट है जिसको लिसनिंग का टॉपिक अभी तक मैंने जितना पढ़ाया है समझ नहीं आया है? Is there anybody? Nobody is there. Everybody understood whatever have been taught to you. And have you noted down this much? Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
This I have already done with you actually. But because I want you all to become a good listener, okay, so please listen carefully. Start listening to news on radio, TV, internet, WhatsApp, or any news channel, app, whatever you like to listen to audio, video, okay, on various topics, okay. So you will improve your listening skills. Various different types of accent, if you listen to, you also learn how we can pronounce same word in different ways. Is it clear? So do learn things. Should I end the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.